Can I take your order?
Alright, can I get a party bucket, please?
There you go.
Nice one. Thank you. Feeding time at the zoo.
Is that all from me?
It's a meal for one. Alright, Bono! Got some chicken.
I got. It's not Deliveroo. It's.
Alright, Rodney!
It's his birthday.
Is it? Happy birthday, mate!
452.
452. Congratulations.
He fought with Genghis Khan, he did.
And here she is, sports fans. And here she... Oh. Not you.
Oh.
So, today, I'm going to attempt to do a front-end transplant and remove the forks and yokes and offer up the K5 front end that I bought for a bargain of £150 off eBay. So, yeah, wish me luck. What do you reckon?
I think you need more than luck.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
You said I could do it, though?
Yeah, you can. Crack on.
All right.
Let's watch it.
Oh, God. Okay.
Someone can't stop me.
I already need a hand. Oh, by the way, Derek, for his 75th birthday, got given a track day for his birthday. How cool's that? What a boy.
Thank you very much.
And he's a bit of a Southwest legend, is Derek, isn't he? You guffed again? Have you just guffed?
No, I haven't. Promise. If I had, you'd know. You'd know, wouldn't he, Ben?
Right, he should just come away now. Oh shit.
Yeah, you're just down there.
Where?
Straight on down. What's behind there? That's them. It goes off ring.
I'll tell you what, hang on. I'll put this camera down. Oh, it's all kicking off.
Can you lift up clips?
Hang on.
Plastic clips.
Have I done it wrong, have I?
What are you still attached by?
The lot of clocks are that night.
What have I got? What have I done wrong?
We needed to take this off.
Oh, you're
bracket,
kidding.
Bolt the bracket back onto the frame.
Oh no!
And
No!
This is messy.
Oh, I'll get it in the hole there. You offer her up.
Then can see.
You drill the pilot, I'll bore the main. The carbon! The carbon!
I was there. You like to take over.
Hey, Derek, put your head there a minute.
Take the wing.
Put your head there a minute.
Just.
What are you looking at, mate?
Something going round and round. Can't stop looking at it. It's making me dizzy.
Mesmerising.
Like cider, it makes you dizzy.
Thanks, Bono. I jumped the gun. I tried to jump the gun, but there's too many connections and complications within the lights and front mount. So anyway, well, apart from the ignition barrel, I think it's pretty straightforward now. Dare's giving it a bit of T-cut. He doesn't like what he sees, so he's going to get some. Get a bit of elbow grease in there. This is the bit that's really. I mean, the rest. Look, it's not the cleanest, but it's not a dog by any means. But what do we? No. But what do we do? Because they're all like this, don't they?
We can flatten that back and blow that in.
Blow it in.
Blow it in. We can blow that in.
All right.
We can make that disappear.
Really?
Yeah, a bit like Paul Daniels used to make things disappear.
Yeah. What's her name? Danielle.
No, that was.
Oh yeah.
Debbie McGee.
Debbie McGee. That's it. Yeah.
Yeah, she's still alive.
Danielle
She disappeared.
Daniels.
So the lock's got the drilled out. So.
Oh really?
Yeah, the tip top yoke off, drill out. That's all.
Drill it out.
Yeah, because they're shear bolts in there.
Oh, for f***'s sake.
It's not a problem.
Really?
No. If you got a drill. If you ain't got a drill, the screw fixer, tool station, or B&Q or something like that. What's that
Yeah.
one?
Wicks.
Wickses.
Yeah.
Oh, don't talk about him.
You have problems everywhere you go.
Who?
You.
What have I done then?
Exactly.
That's his birthday, James. Come on.
And I'm being nice to him on his birthday.
Yeah, you want to see what he's like normally.
Do you want to see? I'll take the shirt off.
So we've got to drill these out, have we?
Yeah, just take the top of your cuff. And
Take the top yoke off, drill it, and then you're going to do the rest, yeah?
yeah, I'll try it.
Thanks, Dad. Like I said, she's not the cleanest example, but it certainly ain't the rattiest. Tell you what, just with a little bit of T-cut, Derek has come up trumps yet again. I can see why he's been promoted here at JHS. I am going to remove this tank sticker. Oh. What's this called? Crust.
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 To get your rusty, crusty metal to slightly less crusty metal.
Okay, so you've done a bit of sanding
A
action.
little bit of sanding, painted on, and
Basically like Tipex.
yeah, I think it just neutralises the rust, and then we can at least
Neutralises the rust.
stop it from rusting any further.
Does it go any black? Because
I think it does go
goes
black, yeah.
Yeah.
Give it a bit of this, and then
There we are.
we'll let the.
Right, I better go and see what the boss wants me to do.
Well, hang on, Derek, we haven't finished yet, mate.
Yeah, but that's
We haven't finished yet, Babs.
Sorry, Babs.
Well, that is that. Clean off. If anyone wants to buy a GSX-R 750 SRAD 99 2000 front end, complete with front wheel and freshly serviced forks by JHS Racing, give me a shout. And now I'll introduce you to the new models going in. We were going to change the bearings, but according to Bono,
These look like
they ain't brand new.
fresh
They do look
grease.
good, don't they?
Yeah, fresh grease on them.
So we didn't do that when we took the forks out. It looks brand new.
We did it. Someone's looked after her.
No. That's a lock. Is it a lock or is it unlocked? I'm doing a technical job.
James, it'll fit on anything Holland. Actually, remarkably, it does fit pretty much. The only
got it
thing,
off, did you?
the only thing that Will spotted is the steering lock.
Yeah, you just got to.
Should we just grind? Will was
Yeah.
saying, should we just grind it off?
Yeah.
Not grind it off, but grind it back so
yeah.
it fits.
Yeah. Just get the grinder and get the big 9-inch grinder in there.
No, putting on the bandsaw.
Well, cut the steering head off.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's for this racing Grom I'm doing.
The 5-speed Grom.
Look, they reckon 26.26 PS.
Bloody hell, that's 28 horsepower. That.
Yeah. Considering a stocker makes 9.
Really?
Yeah.
That's the graph. Bloody hell.
Even give cam time figures, everything.
Anyway,
Comprehensive kit.
that's not an SRAD. That top lip there, that we just rub that right back.
Like that.
This, yeah,
Oh, so it hits on the steering.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, just grind it away.
yeah.
Yeah. Just rub that straight away. Don't worry about that. But I thought the location for the steering lock.
No,
was
it's
in a
fine.
different-
Well,
Right.
it's straight, so it's locked straight.
Right. Okay.
Perfect for cruising. I think it would be better if we did it that way. Look at that.
No.
No? Okay. Making a very good job of that. The thing is, you can't tell whether there's any blood because his top's red. How much did you need to take off, Alistair?
Quite a lot.
There's just one thing I'd like to say to you. Is really you've got a dangerous piece of equipment hanging from your neck that could catch in the belt. You need to tuck that inside or stand back. That's better. We like a bit of safety on the job, thank you.
Safety first, first aid last, mind.
Get on with it. That's right, grind the whole lot off. Have you passed wind again?
Give that a whirl.
Well done. Do you know how to turn the machine off? Well done.
Thanks, Derek.
I keep getting a red light and what's it coming up on there? I don't know whether it would mean it was a reject, the bloke operating or the bloke receiving.
Teamwork makes the dream work. So, just for the purpose of viewers and general knowledge, so no, Derek, no. So,
No more fires.
how tight do we tighten the bearing?
So the way I do it anyway is fresh bearings, fresh grease,
Yeah,
and we'll dip it up tight until you get some resistance.
yeah.
And you feel that's far too tight. And we back it off quarter of a turn.
That's it.
And that's it. And then when
That's
it's
prime.
When it's all assembled, then you can have a check and a feel and adjust it if necessary, but 9 times out of 10, that's bang on.
Easy.
Simple as that.
Right, let's get the forks in, shall we? Yeah! And there we have it. A set of K6 600 forks. Pretty much straight in. Except for the bit of grinding to the steering lock. And the fact the steering lock is now set, so when it goes on, it's straight. Perfect for motorways. But yeah, apart from that, straight in. And I know that I've got a fair amount of abuse when I first talked about it, but they're not being period, and you know they're not retro enough, and I don't give a shit really. Frankly, I want decent forks, decent brakes. Of course, we got radial mounted calipers. Some people think they look weird on a bike like this. Again, I don't really care. Do what you want. Don't follow the crowd. If you want to do that, do it. Obviously, we can have decent fork internals now. It's opened up a world of possibilities. Yeah, decent forks, decent brakes, and not to mention I've already ordered the GSX-R600 wheel, Dimag wheel to go in. So next time I will put that in, and I think James is probably going to look at the forks, see if they need a service. But I mean, they are going to be so much better as it is. So I am very, very hard for this. I think I'm probably going to get some M4 calipers. I mean, you can get them for 150 quid, a decent set. So, yeah. Well, clear up time for tonight. It's getting dark, it's getting late, and thanks, Bono. Thank you for your help today, mate. It's turned out dreamy.
Well done. Nice of you to make nice comments. It's a rarity in this establishment.
Did you get the rosette for doing the gymkhana?
No,
They got third
no, for right.
Third in the dog
Nearly right. Nearly right.
Back once again. Dimags. Job for today. Get that stock front wheel out. Put the Bridgestone T31 on. Get the Dimags in. Get the EBC brakes on. And I've also got... Oh, I did have chain and sprockets. So I've got the rear sprocket on. I'm just going to need to put the drive sprocket on, and we've got a Tsubaki 520 racing chain from BNC Express, and I'll give it a good old clean. That's the aim of the game, really. Bono reckons I just take it outside and clean it, but I'm just going to do a hand job on it, and just buff it up.
Not a blow job. Just
No blow job, just a hand job. Just little things like that is just yeah. Well, that is the T32 on. It is going to look so much better. I can't wait to get her in. However, I just remembered that the old disc bolts are on there, and I want to sell that wheel complete, and they're old shit anyway. So I'm going to disc bolts, but Race Bolt are down the road in Bristol. So, and you can get 10% off with 44 rewards. So I've got some Thai disc bolts. Let's get the discs on.
Everybody wants to party. Everybody wants to party.
Bono's giving me shit because I was just doing it with a normal socket.
Use a torque wrench.
So the torque wrench is out. Sorry, Dad.
It's alright.
I had 69.
Well, there we are. On, complete, done, ish. So it's on the ABBA stand now, the rolling mobility ABBA stand, and I've taken the executive decision to, we're going to zinc plate all the bolts. So this is going to stay on the stand for probably a week or two, and then I remove every single, well, not every single bolt and nut, but quite a few, and get them zinc plated. Then it costs, well, a blozzer and a reach around, and we'll have everything looking ship shape and Keynesian fashion. So I want to put the shock. I was going to put the shock in today, but it's the shock's up there, and I can't be bothered to get it. And so, yeah, just going to remove some bolts and nuts and send them off to be plated, and that'll be that for today. Yeah, pretty pleased with progress, really. I think it looks, with some calipers on and a mud guard, I think it looked pretty, well, it looks sexual now, doesn't it? Shall I Street Fighter it? No, I'm joking. Right. Bye.